Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to grocery shop at Aldi. Now shopping at Aldi can be a unique experience due to its effective layout. You can just focus on the private label product and cart rental system as well. Now here's a step-by-step guide to grocery shopping at Aldi. First thing you have to do is Aldi does not provide free bags, so you have to bring your own reusable bag or purchase them at the store. And Aldi requires a deposit of a quarter to use a shopping cart. So insert a quarter into a slot on the cart handle to release it, and you'll get the quarter back when you return the cart. Make a shopping list beforehand to ensure you don't forget anything you need. Aldi stores are known for their efficiency, so it's best to have planned before you go. And the Aldi stores are typically smaller than traditional grocery stores, and they have a limited selections of product. However, they offer a range of high quality private label items. Walk through the aisles, so find what you need and look for Aldi finds, which are special deals on seasonal or limited time product as well. Aldi offers a weekly specials on a range of products from groceries to household items to electronics as well. You can check the Aldi's website or app to see the current specials, and use a quarter card system too. You also need to bag your own groceries. After that, pay attention to the price, then check out quickly and return your card. And that is how you can do grocery shop at Aldi. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.